Hello, I'm Raven Kramer with Key Realty, and today I have the privilege to show you a breathtaking property located in the highly sought-after community of Marblehead Estates. Allow me to introduce you to 2717 South Waterside Court, also known as Casamigos, nestled in a stunning and private gated community. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle waiting for you to embrace. This exquisite property boasts 4 spacious bedrooms and 4 luxurious bathrooms designed for maximum comfort and elegance. But what truly sets it apart are the striking waterfront views of the bay, visible from virtually every room, offering a serene backdrop to your daily life. Every inch of this home has been meticulously crafted, from the state-of-the-art kitchen offering granite countertops, top-of-the-line Bosch 800 series appliances, a custom stone backsplash, modern fixtures, and luxury vinyl planking throughout. The expansive living areas are designed to maximize those incredible views and natural light. This home comes stacked with upgrades throughout too, including a whole house generator, whole house electric fence, exterior lighting system, new sprinkler system, custom stoned and concrete patio, a built-in grilling station, newly fortified break wall with walk-down access right to the water, and luxury coated window treatments. It doesn't miss a beat. Living here is about more than just the home. It's about being a part of an exclusive gated community complete with a clubhouse, pool, beach, playground, and even an exercise space. It's everything you need for an active, fulfilling lifestyle right at your doorstep. And for the adventurers among us, imagine being a short boat ride away from Cedar Point, Kelly's Island, and Put-in Bay. The possibilities for entertainment and relaxation are endless, with lease stockage available right at the marina. 2717 South Waterside Court isn't just a home, it's a dream come true. And I'm here to help make that dream your reality. Contact me, Raven Kramer with Key Realty, to schedule your private showing and take the first steps towards living your best life right here at Casamigos, translated as House of Friends. I look forward to welcoming you to your new home.